Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my show. My name is Vel Dogg and you're cooking with me, where we make restaurant quality food or better, from my home to yours. Today on the chopping block, we got spicy chicken. Today we're going to be making a bacon Pepperjack chicken deluxe sandwich. Right now I have some Kaisers right here, Kaiser rolls. I got the spicy chicken right here, and I have the Pepperjack right here, and we have the bacon right here. Alright, we already got the onions already sliced up. I just took an onion and sliced them a little bit thin, and I put them over there to the side. For this sandwich, you got 6 Kaisers, so I made 6 onion slices. I have a tomato, and I cut 6 slices of those. Alright, and I have some lettuce, and I pretty much what I did with this, you can follow me on my other show. I just sliced them up pretty thin like this. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and get this started. I'm going to go ahead and take this to my New Wave oven. And I put this on like 350 in my New Wave oven. It don't really take that long. But you can take these and put them on a flat pan, put some foil, lay it down and sit it on there and flip them. In between the time, I say it should take anywhere from about, I don't know, about 30 minutes. So 15 minutes flip. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and get this started and I'll be right back. New Wave oven already set up. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on 350 for about 20 minutes. Not even 20 minutes, about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna push cook temperature, go over here to cook time right here, and then I'm gonna put, I'd say 15 minutes, then push start. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and prep up this bacon. You want the shiny side up. Even while we do that, it just seems like it make it crispier. Right here, it don't do as well. Cooks a longer time. Lay it up in the pan. Seems like hold up better, so I just use it. Alright, so I got the bacon in the pan already ready. And I'm going to go ahead and get this in the oven. And I'll be right back. That up about 400. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these Kaiser rolls up. I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 of these, show you how this is done, and then I'll be back, okay? But go ahead and check this out. See that? Take that. Pour these up with my secret butter. No secret now. Put some of that on there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting these up, and I'll be back. Okay, I finished spraying these down. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these bad boys in the oven. Let that cook. Brown up. Okay guys, I'm back. I got the chicken out, got the bacon done. I'm gonna go ahead and put one of these bad boys together. We're gonna take us some of this ranch. Put some of this ranch on here. Cool things down. Okay, that should be enough of the ranch. Take us some lettuce. Some lettuce on there. Put this to the side. Take us a tomato. Put that on there. Take us an onion. Put that on there. And we take our chicken. Pepperjack chicken. We'll put that on there. Okay? Then we'll take our other 2 pieces of bacon, that right there. Right there. Here goes some more ranch. It's a thin layer. We don't want a lot of it. There you have it. There you go. Guys, I'm back. I'm done with this bacon pepperjack chicken sandwich deluxe. And I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. By the way, I forgot to mention this chicken, the spicy chicken, you may be able to find that already frozen at your local grocery store. So saying that to say this, please like, share, and subscribe. Cooking with Vel Dogg, where we make restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Yeah, do go check out my other video where I made lemon pepper hot wings. Let's get cooking.